Do you want to access your favorite app with a single click from your notification panel? Well, let me introduce you to Notification Shortcuts. This is an app which lets you to set shortcuts for opening apps from your notification shade. With the free version of it, you can set up to 7 apps as shortcuts on your notification panel, and if you buy the premium, you can set more than that. It's an easy process. Open the app and choose the apps which you need to set on your notification shade. Allow all the permission which the app asks, and then boom, you're good to go. Just drag and drop the notification panel, click on the app that you need to open, and there you go. Your favorite app is opened in a single swipe and a click. Hey guys, welcome. I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and in this video we are going to take a look at some of the interesting and useful apps for your Android smartphone. So let's go. Next app is for all the people who love crazy home screen setups. And I know while setting up your home screen, it takes a lot of effort finding which icon pack it suits, which wallpaper it suits. But with this app called as Palette, you can set everything with a single click. So Palette is basically an application which has a lot of crazy home screen setups in different categories like AMOLED, minimal, etc. Say if you like a particular home screen setup from that app, you can click on that setup and it will show you all the sources from which you can get all the packs that's needed for that particular setup in a single click. Say for example, you need to have the wallpaper. Just click the wallpaper icon, your wallpaper will be automatically downloaded. You need to have the icon pack. Click on that, it will redirect you to the Play Store page where you can download that particular icon pack. See, it's very simple. So if you want to have a crazy home screen setup, download Palette. The link is in the description below. You can check it out. Have you ever done the mistake of forgetting the birthday of your close ones or your friends? Well, we all have done that at a certain stage. But don't worry, this app called as Birthday Reminder will remind you all the birthdays, anniversaries, or the important events that you need to remind and wish them for. So it's basically simple. You have to download this application from Play Store and click on the plus icon, which will ask you the contact for which you need to get reminded of their birthdays or any anniversary or whatever the event it is. Or if you don't have their contact, you can also get reminded by saving their name in that. So after giving the name or assigning the contact, next it will ask you for what it should remind you, whether it's a birthday or it's an anniversary or it's any custom event. You can click on whatever you need and also set the date on which you have to get reminded, and boom, you will automatically receive a notification reminder which will remind you to wish them for that particular event. This is a lifesaver application because it will remind you whatever the event that you need to get reminded. I know you guys will be saying that, hey, we can also say it to our personal assistant, it will remind us, but hey, it's a process made simple using this app. Have you ever got caught by your professor just because your phone rang or got a notification in your class? Well, this has happened a lot of times to me. But Do For Me is an app which is a lifesaver from all these kind of situations. Well, Do For Me is basically a task automation app which lets you do tasks like changing your sound profile of a smartphone or recording the audio automatically when you reach a certain location. So this is basically a map-based app which will let you to place marker on a particular location and set the radius for it. And when you enter that particular radius of location, your phone will automatically do certain tasks like changing the sound profile of your smartphone or something like that. So majorly this app is used to change the sound profile, which we always forget to do while we enter into a place where you don't need much of a sound. The app is very simple to use. Just open it, there'll be a map, set a marker from where you want to automate that task by your smartphone. After setting the marker, you have to assign the task to automate, like for example, changing the sound profile of your smartphone from normal to silent or whatever it is. And after doing that, when you enter that particular location, it will automatically do that task for you. Now, have you ever got annoyed and tired while explaining a certain process to your friend through your phone? Well, it happens all of the time, but I use Screenshot Flow to easily explain a process by using a flowchart diagram. So with this application, you can explain certain processes like posting a picture on Instagram. You can teach your friend any process through your phone. Well, open this application and then give all the permission which the phone asks. So basically this will create a flow chart to explain a certain process. So now I'm going to show you how to record the process of posting a picture on Instagram. So after opening the app, there will be a hand icon which you should place on the first spot that you need to record. And then tap on the hand icon which will record the first move. and then there'll be an icon called as keep plus next, which will let you to record the second move. You have to do it again and again until you reach the end point. So after reaching the end point, you have to click on finish, and then boom, it will generate a flow chart to explain that process of posting a picture on Instagram. You can explain any process by using this application, and it's free and very easy to do. You cannot get annoyed by actually explaining a very difficult process through a phone. Just create a flow chart diagram through screenshot flow, and this will solve your problem. So yeah, there you have it. These are some of the useful and interesting Android applications to download in your smartphone. Try it out and let me know your favorite app in the comment section below. And if you want to have more videos like this, share this video with your friends, like this video for the sake of algorithm, and also subscribe to Tech Arnav because we'll be posting more and more fun and interesting tech content. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever we post any new tech video. So for now, this is me Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.